Welcome to 8813 Valhalla Drive in Everett's Eastmont neighborhood. A spacious daylight Rambler with room to stretch out and settle in. Inside, you're greeted by a bright, welcoming living room with warm, natural light and an easy flow that makes it perfect for everyday life or entertaining. Step out onto the updated deck, your new favorite spot for morning coffee or sunset dinners, overlooking the big private backyard. Back inside, the oversized kitchen is ready for your next holiday meal or casual brunch, with plenty of counter space and storage. The primary suite offers a quiet retreat at the end of the day, complete with an ensuite bath and room to unwind. Downstairs, a huge rec room opens to the backyard, perfect for movie nights, game days, or a cozy spot to relax. Need extra space? 2 additional rooms downstairs make great home offices, guest rooms, or even an art studio. The fully fenced backyard is ready for barbecues, pets, gardening, or just soaking up some sunshine in peace and privacy. You're tucked into a quiet, established neighborhood that's close to top schools, parks, and just minutes to Boeing, I-5, and everyday essentials. With nearly 3,000 square feet, smart updates throughout, and tons of flexible living space, 8813 Valhalla Drive is ready to welcome you home. Schedule your private home tour today.